Hey guys, welcome back to YG Tech Talk. Poco is back again in the budget segment, and today we have the brand new Poco C85, the upgraded version of the Poco C75. In Pakistan, this model is priced around 40,000 rupees for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. Let's quickly unbox it and take a first look at what this phone has to offer. The Poco C85 comes in Poco's signature yellow box. Inside the box, you'll find the phone on top. I have the purple color variant here, but it's also available in black and green. You'll also get a silicone case, a SIM ejector tool, a USB Type-A to Type-C cable, and a 33-watt fast charger right out of the box, which is great to see in this price range. Now, let's talk about the design. Poco has changed things up this time. The camera module is no longer round, it's got a square and modern design that gives the phone a fresh new look. The dual-tone finish on the back feels premium for a budget phone, with Poco branding and a C85 signature at the bottom. The purple color looks beautiful. One side has a glossy touch, and the other is matte. The build is plastic, but it's solid and even has an IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance. The phone is slightly big, but still slim, only 7.9 millimeters thick and about 205 grams in weight. On the right side, you get the power button with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and volume keys. The top side is clean, while on the left you get the SIM tray, which supports 2 SIM cards and a memory card. At the bottom, you'll find a Type-C port, microphone, speaker grill, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now coming to the display, the Poco C85 features a 120Hz IPS LCD panel with 720p resolution. Yes, there's still a small notch and a chin, but that's normal for this segment. The display gets up to 600 nits of brightness and is protected by 2.5D glass with a pre-applied screen protector. The colors look decent, and thanks to that 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels super smooth whether you're gaming or using social media. Under the hood, the phone is powered